Hey guys, I just wanted to share a quick video of a 3D printed louver forming tool that I tested out today. I printed these at 100% infill with just standard PLA. I also made these small tool holders to test out different forming tools on this pincerter machine, which is basically just a hydraulic press that's meant for inserting sheet metal hardware. The custom forming tools will eventually be used on a press brake, but this is, in my opinion, a much better way to quickly test out different shapes without wasting too much plastic or metal. So this is a standard louver forming tool that we use to add louvers to a wide variety of parts. So if you're not familiar with what a louver is, it's just a nice way of adding an air vent to a machine without letting water or dust creep in. So here's just a few examples of louvers on parts we make, and you'll also see louvers on machines all around the shop as well. So if you're wondering what machine this tool is used in, it's used in a CNC turret punch, and so this machine takes flat sheet metal, gets clamped into the bed, and then the machine has a carousel with 40 different tools in it. There are a large variety of punching, embossing, and forming tools that are used with this machine. It can even be used to form countersinks, which comes in handy when you have a part that has a lot of countersinks. And it also sounds pretty cool when it's running. So one thing I didn't expect the 3D printed louver tool to be able to do was cut the louver like a regular tool does. So I laser cut an existing slit into the sample pieces. You also wouldn't want to form a louver this close to the edge of the sheet, but I just wanted to test out a small sample piece before moving on to a larger tool that will get used in the press brake. This tool is actually going to get used to add 5 louvers at a time into a brushed stainless steel part we make. The louvers have to be added after the part is sanded and formed, so a standard louver tool can't be used because it will leave tool marks on the part. And that's where these plastic louver tools are going to come into play, because they're not going to mark up the part. Alright, well, I hope you guys liked the video, and if you have suggestions for other forming tools you'd like to see me 3D print and test out, leave a comment below, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.